Hello besties, so I read all of your comments on my previous video and on high demand I am back with another slow little cozy podcast episode, and in this one I'm going to prep you for winter. So I have skincare, some body care, some beauty products, and my favorite books right now, my shows, and even the warm drinks that I am loving right now. Okay, so I'm not a winter girly, I am summer. Okay, I'm a beach girly. I do not like winters, and I also get seasonal depression. I feel very low during winter time. I'm happy that right now it's not very cold. It's November end, and still it's not that cold. I'm wearing my summer tops. So if you have been feeling nothing about winter, life feels a little bit meh and colder months feels lonely, then I promise you this video will make you feel something. So first let's start with some skincare. Okay, so one ingredient that I'm currently obsessed with is PDRN, and other ingredient is collagen. Combine these two and chef's kiss. Most of the skincare that I have picked up lately has these two, and honestly my skin has never looked better. I don't want to jinx by saying this, that I have not had bad skin days in like months. No breakouts, no hype, just calm, moisturized, glowing skin. So PDRN stands for polydeoxyribonucleotide, basically tiny fragments of DNA which helps your skin to repair itself. So for daytime I've been using the Anua PDRN HA serum with collagen, and it has these capsules which melts into your skin, penetrates deeply and gives the juicy plump glass skin. So PDRN activates fibroblast, and fibroblast makes collagen, so your skin actually heals itself and bounce back stronger. For my night skincare routine every day I've been using the Medicube PDRN pink peptide serum. It has 1% sodium DNA PDRN and it's pink. It helps to regenerate and renew your skin. I also have an affordable PDRN serum because these can be a little bit expensive, but if you like to invest in your skincare then it's nothing for you. But if you want like an affordable one, then this is the Dr. Sheth Bakuchiol PDRN serum. So Bakuchiol is really good for fine lines and wrinkles, and when it's combined with PDRN it helps your skin to regenerate. Look at the glow. It's around 600 rupees, and all these serums make your skin so glowy, hydrated and glass. Love this new ingredient PDRN. If you have not been using it, I highly recommend to include it in your skincare routine, and the collagen also. So this is the Biodance collagen sheet mask that I've raved about like so many times on my channel, and I can't believe this is for 349 rupees. This is not your normal average mask. It's a hydrogel mask which is deeply soaked in the collagen rich serum and very hydrating. It just gives a new skin. This is one of those products, if you're watching my videos for the first time, I want you to get it. If anyone in my subscribers have used it, please let me know in the comment section. How did you like it? Did it work for you? Because I genuinely want to know. Somebody commented on my video, wow, you are 35, mind blown emojis. I'm going to take your skincare recommendations very seriously now. Okay, so in winters, I switched to Milky toners, and Plum Saracen's toner surprised me the most. Even though there are so many Milky toners in the market, this one has the ultra fine spray. Feels like a soft mist of cloud landing on my skin. Whenever I use it, my skin glows from within, not the heavy sticky kind of shine that comes when the product is sitting on the top of your skin. It melts deep into the skin and nourish it without making it feel heavy. Now this moisturizer has the most unique texture. It feels like a gel, but it looks like a cream, and it melts into my skin like a gel moisturizer but nourishes my skin like a proper winter cream, and zero stickiness. This is the Plum Saracen's moisturizer. I even tested it at the night time because I was so sure no lightweight moisturizer could keep my skin hydrated hydrated till morning, but when I woke up next morning, my skin felt soft and moist. It sinks into the deeper layers. It doesn't sit like a frosting on a cake and delivers a blend of ceramides, prebiotics, peptides, 1% NMF, acai, all that goodness to build your skin barrier from within. So this is clearly my best winter moisturizer pick. So these two are my two favorite Korean creams right now. Dr. Althea 345, it's like a skin therapy. It feels so silky and soft. If you have irritated, stressed skin, this will feel so comforting and calming. I don't know if you have noticed, but winter makes the fine lines on my skin more visible. So Celemix Vitamin A Retinol Shot Cream keeps the skin smooth and tight without drying. Next, for my double cleansing routine, I've been using both of these skincare products from Anua. So this is the Anua Heartleaf Plus BHA Cleanser, which cleans the pores. I love it. And to remove my makeup, sunscreen and oil-based impurities, I first use the Anua Heartleaf cleansing oil. So this is the most lightweight cleansing oil I've ever used. I cannot stop raving about it because this is the best cleansing oil. It just removes everything in instant. You don't have to massage too much. So first I use this oil and then I go in with their Heartleaf cleanser. It has a cushiony texture. It foams really well. So while BHA cleans your pores deeply and pulls all the gunk out, all the blackheads and whiteheads, and Heartleaf calms your skin. So if you have very sensitive, irritated skin, this cleanser is for you. Next is a milky toner for nighttime, and it's not your usual milky toners. It's an exfoliating milky toner. It's by Ordinary, but let me show you something. It makes your skin so glowy. Like every time when I use it in the night time, next morning I wake up with like a bright glowy skin. If you like the glycolic acid toner by Ordinary, then you would love it even more. Winter sunscreen, I'm still using the Aqua Fresh जो मैं summers में use कर रही थी, तो मैंने अभी कुछ change नहीं किया है. Sunscreen मुझे हमेशा light चाहिए होती है, so that's why. Now let's talk about one body care product and then we'll move on to the beauty section. So this is the Hazelnut Eclair by Plum Body Loving. I love their vanilla caramello and even their marshmallow melt. Those two are my favorites, but I wanted to try the hazelnut, but I'll be honest, it's very nutty, so it can be overwhelming for some people. And honestly, when I tried it for the first time, I just did not like it. But when the temperature started to drop and it's a little colder now, even though I'm wearing this summer top right now, it's a little colder. Whenever I'm filming, there's so much lights and I'm moving so much, talking so much, I feel hot. So that's why I'm not wearing any cardigan, but otherwise it's like sweater weather already here. Some people might find it too much because it smells too nutty. It has only one single note of hazelnut. As the weather cooled down, the toasty hazelnut vibes suddenly felt warm and cozy. Like it made sense. This feels warm, nutty, snuggly, but if it feels too much for you, then go for their body butters. The texture of this body lotion is same as their vanilla caramello, light, but the body butters have like thicker, creamier texture. It feels like a pudding, honestly. If your skin feels like cactus in winters, then yeah, this is definitely for you. Body butters have a more concentration of butters and oils like the Brazil nut oil in this one, so that's why it feels more nourishing on the skin. Okay, so my next pick is a little heavy, not really, just kidding. So this is the Dove Peach Plus Vitamin C Body Wash. It leaves my skin so creamy even before putting the body lotion. The texture is so milky and it smells like a warm pudding dessert, juicy and happy without being too sweet. It's like a cozy fresh combo and I have been loving it for this winter. My winter beauty vibe is soft, moisturized, minimal and glowy. So I switched to more milky, creamier and skin focused products as soon as the temperature dropped, and Fee pudding pots give me that soft winter flush. When you step out in the cold air, you get those rosy cheeks and it just blends like a dream, does not cling to your your dry patches. For a 5-year serial K-drama watcher like me, this shade is pure nostalgia. They're always wearing these kind of shades, right? I found the most beautiful rosy lipstick for winters for Indian skin tones, and it's the Cities 90 Pink. Let me apply it. I was actually wearing it today. It's such a beautiful pink shade, you guys. You have to try it if you love those rosy subtle pink shades, very Victoria's Secret 90s model vibe. Most beautiful tint goes to e.l.f. Sheer for It blush tint, especially the shade Left on Red. इतना प्यारा इतना सुंदर tint है ना ये. I don't think I've tried anything more beautiful than this. I love lip tints. Since the beginning of my channel I've tried hundreds of tints and this one is the most beautiful. Like, look at this. Lip balms के लिए holiday set by Laneige ज़रूर ले लेना, बहुत काम आएगा because it has these 4 lip balms. Lipstick से भी ज़्यादा पता है अभी क्या है मेरे पास? Cream blushes. These are my weakness. Like whenever I see a beautiful shade, I buy it. L'Oreal Lumi blush. ये Pinkgasm by Charlotte Tilbury का बहुत ही close dupe है. It just looks so beautiful. If you want that glittery glowy look, like look at this, so beautiful. Do you see how beautifully it catches light? An e.l.f. Camo blush in shade Cheeky Lychee. It's a dupe for Happy Shade by Rare Beauty, which is my favorite. ये वाला shade भी glowy and glittery है. It looks peach, but it's like a warm peach mix of pink, which is like perfect for Indian skin tones, and you can see it's such a close dupe for Happy Shade. My cozy warm drink of this winter is this new Indian coffee brand that I tried, Third Wave Coffee. I have the one with caramel and roasted almonds flavor notes, and to make my coffee more creamy, foamy, cloudy, I use the electric frother. And if I forget, just in case, please do remind me to leave the links. And then let's move on to the books section because I love reading books this time of the year. Last year I read so many books, but most of them are like very serious self-development and very spiritual books because I just had my spiritual awakening and I love reading about that. So if you want like a different video, let me know. I would love to talk about it because I don't have many people to talk about it. But I have a very fun book recommendation for you, and it is Mistletoe Murders. So I am on the part 4 right now. Yes, it has 4 parts and it's free on Audible. So the main character, Emily Lane, she comes to this small town and she runs a cute Christmas shop, but she has a super secretive past and she loves solving crimes in her new small town, chilling with her cats. And my favorite thing about this book is that the voice of protagonist is given by none other than Kobe Smulders from How I Met Your Mother, which is such a treat, and it's the best audiobook to listen to because it's so atmospheric. There are so many sounds of little bells, cats meowing, and coffee, just so nice. It just brings me into the mood of winter. And the one book that is on my wish list currently from the same author, Sangu Mandana, I've read this book, The Very Secret Society of Irregular Witches, which I loved last winter or before that, I don't remember exactly, but it's such a cozy read. So her new book is launched this winter and it's the A Witch's Guide to Innkeeping. Now let's talk about winter shows. So every year there's one show that I watch no matter what. It's like a little winter ritual for me during the autumn and winter season, and it's Gilmore Girls. There's something about Stars Hollow, that small town and cozy cafes, that fast talking charm of single mother and daughter duo Lorelai and Rory Gilmore. If you love this show, we are automatically besties and we need to talk. By the way, I am team Jess or someone completely new. If you know, you know. My seasonal winter mood happiness boosters. So every morning 10 to 15 minutes I always take Winter Sun, a warm cup of coffee, a book, and morning breakfast, and the winter sun. And to make your home little cozy for this season, I love to burn candles. I'm burning 2 of them behind me, if you can see. Warm lights actually make your space so comforting and cozy. Sometimes I would even play that burning fire videos on YouTube on my lappy and just keep it there. It makes me feel warm for some reason. So turn your boring winter routines into these rituals. It will make you feel so much better, trust me. Like when you're going for shower, mix these scented bath salts. I love the Juicy Chemistry one. It smells so good. I also love to play those winter lo-fi playlists on YouTube, like the Lord of Rings, my favorite movie series ever, Harry Potter, and the Gilmore Girls playlist. It just brings me into this happy mood for the season. These are the little joys and little things I do to make this boring time of the year a little bit more festive and cozy. Even if the days are a little cold, these rituals make everything magical, soft, warm, and fuzzy. So that's it for this year's winter podcast vibey video. If this video lifted your spirits, do let me know in the comment section. It will make my day. Bye bye. Happy winters.